what's up, YouTube? Yes, we are back at it again. Get to the point. Today I'm gonna cook a simple dish. Very simple. Whereas cost little to nothing. Very, very cost effective. And you can call it vegetarian dish, vegan dish, whatever. It's no meat, very simple, very affordable dish. Alright, right. For this, bought at the local store at the Aldi's for 79 cents. So do the maths, 79 cents. Avocado, 99 cents. And for 4 combs of corn, cost me, let me be, to be precise, it cost $1.99. And the pak chow, it cost just to be precise again, $2.59. So there you go, do the maths. We're going to use these 4 main ingredients to create dinner. I'm going to set on the water for the macaroni. Add a little salt for taste. Also, I like to add butter for flavoring. So I'll add some butter in the water. So you're gonna cover that up and let it come to, you can let it come to a boil or close to a boil. So what we're gonna add to our vegetable, to our pak chow, is bell peppers. For me, I like to use various colors. I like to use my yellow, my banana pepper, red bell pepper, green, and sometimes I'll use orange based on if I'm putting carrot. But since it's vegetable, why not? I'll put both the orange bell pepper and also carrot. And also we have a stalk of scallion. So let's go ahead and get these prepared. So what we do now, we're going to get the corn and we're going to cut it in small pieces. We put it in a pot and cook them. So now that the water for the macaroni comes to a boil, I'm going to pour them in. Don't forget to stir because once you pour them in, they tend to all submerge to the bottom of the pot and they will stick. So you give it a little stir as soon as you put them in. Good. Okay, so we have cut up the pop chow, put it in the pot that we're going to cook it in. As you can see, I haven't added anything to it as yet, just the pure pop chow in the pot. Then before I even turn the pot on, I'm going to add my bell peppers, scallion, and carrots. So I just put them on top, spread them even. Note I still haven't turned the pot on as yet. Now before I turn it on, I'm going to use some olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, you can use regular cooking oil or butter. But for my choice, my taste, I'm using olive oil. Remember, we're making a simple, affordable meal. So you just drizzle it all over as to add that little grease so as the pop chow doesn't stick to the pot while steaming. Also, nevertheless, you add a little powder season. For me, I'm just using onion powder. And last but not least, the magical to the bone season. So just a pinch, spread it all right over. If you want to add more, you can. A lot of people start to ask me about this seasoning. So just keep looking out. It's coming to you soon. Okay, so now that we have put everything in, we're gonna put the fire, turn the stove on medium heat. Don't want to make it too high, don't want to make it too low, because you want the vegetable to steam. Don't need to add any water, because remember, the pop chow itself contains water and it will make its own water. Okay, so add a little bit more butter, just a little. Make sure no heat is on it. Don't want to burn the macaroni. I'm gonna add a little butter bean. Now butter bean, you can find them, you know, at the local stores in the Jamaican aisle or the ethnic food aisle. So I'm just gonna add a little butter bean. I recommend that when you're using canned beans, I know it's not the best, but one practice you can start is to, once you open, you drain it and wash the beans. So let's take a look at it, and we're gonna add our final ingredient, which is sweet chili sauce. So I'm gonna put a little in, not a lot. So we put a little in, and then we're gonna stir this up. As you can see, it starts to make its own water. Okay, so there you go. As I told you earlier, it's gonna spring its own water. And now, once you see it like this, all shrinked and everything, you know it's time to go. As we said, we don't want to get too saggy. We like when our vegetables have a little crunch to it. So now we're able to close it. So there you go. Simple, cost efficient, affordable vegetarian dish / vegan dish. So here you have the macaroni, papcho, corn, avocado, and I went and I got some regular fruit juice, but I add some ginger to it to add flavor. So I just cut up a few strips of ginger, put it in it, give it that little kick, and that's it. Very affordable meal. Feeds at least 4 and can be more depending on how much per serving. So once again, simple vegetarian meal. Thanks to my cameraman, my son Manai. Thanks to my family for the support. Thanks to you, YouTube, all of you out there. Much love and respect. Well, you know when me don't pray, you know. YouTube, shell down time. So guess what? Walk good, stay good, and live up. Remember, eat healthy. Peace.
Fish. Yeah. We are Jamaicans, not no fake ones. Different color clocks like the aliens in a space jam. Everywhere I go, me represent my island. Me a one Jamaican from Columbus to Shih Island. Me and my real friends link up on the weekends. Play ball round a land. One love take your side off. Skins for shirts, that was the face off. Every Saturday was a kicker. We jamming, we jamming, we jamming, we jamming, we jamming. Let me take you to the island of Jamaica. We jamming, we jamming, we jamming, we jamming, we jamming. You don't know, Judge, I love you.